guys, welcome to my channel. This is Arnold again, your solo traveler's adventure. For today's video, I just woke up. Kamataragin na ako. In Tagalog, kagigising ko lang. Time check, it's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm not supposed to sleep ng ganito kasi mamaya na I have work na mamaya. So I was planning to do my laundry, then I'm going to cook some pasta for my food, then back to sleep, then wake up again at 2:30 in the afternoon. Sometimes nagigising ako ng mga 3 because, well, malapit lang naman yung work ko from here to my unit to my work. It's only like 15 minutes away, pero sometimes nalilate ako. Well, ganun talaga. Kung saan yung malapit ka na, lagi kang late, pero kung saan yung malayo ka na, you always early. That's normal. But anyway, let's do my laundry first. Samahan niyo ako. And then after the laundry, I'm doing my laundry. Magluto ako ng pasta para meron akong food later for my breakfast before ako mag-work. And then supposed to be cold today, but my AC is turned on. Well, my AC is 24/7. Naka-on siya 24/7. Kasi for my dogs, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. I have my dogs. Roxy Me is here. Come here, baby. I'm gonna show you. Come here. Oh, here's my dog. This is Roxy May. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Hi. So yeah, and Jerry is there. He's my cat. So but anyway, samahan niyo ako. Let's do the laundry. See you in a bit. Bye. So for today, we're gonna do my laundry first, and then we're gonna cook. Ang problem kasi dito sa unit ko, when you do your laundry, pag studio unit, kasi studio unit lang yung apartment ko dito sa Fremont, California. Kasi the reason why is mag-isa lang ako and I have just my 2 dogs, so it's no make sense na I'm going to rent a bigger one. It's not practical kasi dito sa Fremont, guys, the cost of living here, since all the tech industry is here, to be honest, is very expensive. Sobrang expensive ng cost of living here, especially yung mga apartments, condominium. Mahal, sobrang mahal. I'm gonna tell you the story later. I'm just gonna do my laundry. See ya. So what funny, guys, is, you know what happened? It's annoying. I left my key in my unit. So what I did is I went to Mananglina to pick up the key. Finally, I'm back. Nasa unit na ako. So I'm gonna tell the story. So what happened is I left my key, my unit key and my car key. So good thing is I have my phone. I take over to take my other key to Mananglina kasi nung nagbakasyon ako sa Philippines, she has my other key. So the good thing is she's working today. And nakuha ko yung susi. This is the second time. Hi, Jerry. Hi, baby boy. So, my cat is here. Hi. How are you today, baby boy? That's Jerry. It's my baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Hi, how are you? Hi, Roxy May. So, for today's video, we're just gonna have pasta. Simpleng pasta lang. I have this. Wait, I have this red sauce. I was gonna do white sauce, but I like this one, this brand, and this one. I like this, so I'm just gonna have this for my breakfast later or tonight, because I have work tonight also. So yeah, so I'm just gonna use this also, their brand. I like their brand. So just gonna do that, and let's do this. So I have my ground pork na here. Meron na akong ground pork. Just gonna do that, and I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I have my garlic, and then onion. I'm just gonna have simple lang. Ako lang naman nakakain. So kinahanglan meron siyang may onion and garlic para hindi malansa. Kasi nabili ko yung ground pork. Ayoko ng ground beef eh. Kasi parang malansahan ako. I have this. So while I'm doing my laundry, nasa dryer na yan eh. I'm gonna make pasta. So dinadryer ko yung laundry ko ng ilang beses, twice. Kasi hindi ko na siya pinaplansya. So that's what I'm doing. And then pakuluan na lang natin to. I'm just gonna use this.
So lalagyan lang natin siya ng oil. Pag pinakuluan ko kasi to, I normally put oil tapos konting salt. And then let's buboil lang natin yung water. Pag medyo mainit na, pag kumukulo na siya, saka natin siya ilalagay. And then yung paggisa ko, I'm gonna just have butter, onion and garlic. And that's it. Tapos ihahalo na natin, yung ground pork and then this one. Actually, while I'm doing some stuff, nanonood din ako ng YouTube channel. So lagi kong pinapanood yan, yung vlogger na yan. It's van life. So umiikot siya buong Alaska. I was thinking I'm gonna have that kind of van life. No rent. The only thing is you just have to pay your gas and that's it. You don't have to worry about the rent. Kasi dito sa Fremont, guys, grabe, sobrang mahal ng rent. It's really expensive in here. Forgot, meron pala akong onion sa hands ko. So i-wait lang natin na kumulo siya, and then ilalagay na natin yung penny. Umbusin na lang natin to. Then haluin lang natin. So, hahaluin lang natin. Actually, parang hindi pa siya kumulo eh. Pero mainit na rin kasi siya. So, I'm using this one for... I like this brand. Masarap yung niya. Masarap yung sauce. So, this one is the creamy marinara. I'm just gonna put ground pork and igigisa lang natin siya sa garlic and onion, and then again I have this butter. So yun yung gagawin natin. Actually, I was planning to bake some cupcakes today, pero tinamad ako. Yung pagbi-bake ko ng mga yung mga bibingka pag may order ako, it's a stress reliever. So, habang nagpapakulo tayo ng pasta, gagawin ko na rin yung sauce ko, which is yung ground pork, para mamaya ihalo ko na lang. Medyo matigas pa siya. So, igigisa lang natin yung garlic and onion. So, naglagay na ako ng butter. So, tingnan natin yung pasta. Hindi pa siya. Kulaan pa natin yan. So, I'm gonna put the garlic and onion. Pagsabay ko na, guys. Ganon talaga. Sigigisa lang natin yung ground pork. Bango talaga ng no? Sobrang bango talaga ng garlic tsaka onion pag pinaghalo mo siya. Plus the butter. Oh my god. It smells really good. Time check, it's 3:20 in the morning. Kasi ako guys, since gabi yung trabaho ko, mamayang gabi pa yung work ko, so I have to sleep again around 7:30 ng umaga. Then nagigising ako minsan nag-a-alarm ako ng 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Tapos kakain ako, prepare my lunch sa work. Kasi I don't have time na lalabas pa ako to buy my food. So most of the time, meron talaga akong baon sa work. So this week, I'm gonna be working 4 days. And then 3 days off. So on my days off, I was planning to go somewhere to do some content, to do some vlog, and play my drone para meron tayong ma-upload. Vlogger na yan. So, medyo brownish na yung natin, yung onion. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ground pork. So, hinugasan ko na to. While I'm doing that, let's check the noodles. Malapit na yung noodles natin, guys. So, natapos ko na yung pasta sauce ko. And then, okay na rin yung noodles ko. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay. And then, yung laundry ko tapos na rin. So, yung laundry ko, I have to run it one more time. Halo na lang natin lahat, guys. Halo na lang natin yan. Tapos mix lang natin. Looks delicious. So this is my pasta looks like. Ito na siya, guys. Luto na siya. Should be good. Hi, I'm back. So, let's give it a try. So, luto na siya. Here we go, guys. So, this is my pasta. I'm gonna show it to you. Look at the creamy. So, let's eat. Time check. It's almost 4 o'clock. So, yung laundry ko tapos na. Nina-dryer ko na lang siya. Actually, dina-dryer ko siya ng ilang beses. So, it's gonna be timer 38 minutes. So, let's try this. It's good. It's not typical Filipino pasta kasi maasim siya. Kasi pag Filipino kasi is sweet. Good. Yummy. You know what I forgot? Is bread. Anyway guys, tatapusin ko lang yung food ko. Again, thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel, and please don't forget also to subscribe or to follow my my Facebook page. And again, thank you everyone. Thank you so much, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.